Welcome back. Salgaocar Football Club scored a late equaliser to hold Pune F.C. to a 1-1 draw in the ILeague opener at Fatorda on Saturday. Pune F.C. missed an early penalty kick but took the lead in the first half. Salgaocar had to wait till the 80th minute to get the equaliser and share points in the opening match of 2015 ILeague.
ILeague underway. Now the first corner of this match. We're only in the second minute and appealing vehemently for a penalty. Oh, he's hit the upright! A penalty was given, a little controversial, and Salgaocar muffed it up by that proverbial whisker hitting the upright. So that's the reason why that score on the top left is Salgaocar 0, Pune 0. Salgaocar now, brilliant ball on the right looking. Oh, but this time it's an open, well, Salgaocar's there in the box. Well, that's exactly what was needed. And getting it in style is Anthony D'Souza. Rosario, nice ball from him. What's an opportunity now? Duhu, and they've done it! Duhu finally getting that chance. Now he says it's okay, over and done with, boys. Now it's over. I wanted to give a little practice to Subrata Paul. Wanted to see him kick that ball. Waited for it to balloon up in the air and then I'll blow my whistle, is what referee O.P. Thakur says. So the Hero ILeague opener here at the Nehru Stadium, Fatorda, Goa, ending Pune F.C. 1, Salgaocar 1.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.